who loves 3D printing? So I know I do. Like, look at all these useful stuff you can make. Stuff to put on your Joy-Con so you can actually play on it. Stuff to like make sure they don't end up tangled. Wait, one second. I've got an excellent example of this. Look at these! Tangled up in a mess, all looped up, and like, just a pain. Or you can make cool models like this Baby Yoda. Or this decapitated WALL-E. Oh, that's his head. Eyes, whatever they are. Alright, he wasn't always decapitated. I mean, look, as you might be able to see that, I've got glue on there. I tried to glue it back on, but with no success. So, in this episode, we're gonna glue it back on. Let's go. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to mention, the printer I'm gonna be using is this beast. What? Oh wait. This beast. Well, here I've opened up Cura, and as you can see, there's WALL-E. He's about, oh, that's not what I want to press. He's about this big, not wide, not tall. Pretty much 75% because I don't want him to be too big. And hopefully this time I don't get a decapitated WALL-E. Cue the time lapse. Alright, so you guys might be wondering why there's no time lapse. And that's because the camera I decided to use, this old Canon camera, I think probably as old as me, didn't want to record for more than 20 minutes at a time, which meant I was left with clips that were like 20 minutes each, but had massive gaps between each one, so it took me a while to realise. But nevertheless, I tried to make a time lapse out of it, and it looked great, but when I tried to export it, it just wasn't having it. It didn't want to export. So I was left with like massive, like 6 hours worth of video that I couldn't make into a time lapse. So I just said screw it and show the end result. Yep, we had a decapitated WALL-E again. I tried to take the supports off, and that just ended up with him broken again. But if you just use your imagination, and there we go, he's looking downwards. That's better than nothing. So, okay, that might have been a failure, but look at Baby Yoda.